Welcome to our tour of a stunning Scandinavian house, where modern design meets timeless elegance. In this video, we'll explore the harmonious blend of minimalist aesthetics, natural materials, and functional spaces that define this beautiful home. From the inviting exterior to the thoughtfully designed interiors, each room showcases the simplicity and sophistication of Nordic design. Join us as we take you through the light-filled living areas, cozy bedrooms, and luxurious bathrooms, highlighting the features that make this house a true masterpiece of Scandinavian architecture. Let's begin our journey into the heart of Scandinavian living. The exterior of this house showcases a minimalist design, characterized by clean lines and a neutral color palette. The facade is predominantly clad in wood, providing a warm and inviting look that blends harmoniously with the surrounding landscape. Large windows punctuate the walls, allowing for ample natural light and offering stunning views of the outdoors. The steep pitched roof is covered in durable metal, designed to handle heavy snowfalls typical of Scandinavian winters. The landscaping features native plants and greenery, enhancing the natural aesthetic without overwhelming the space. As we step into the heart of the home, we are greeted by a stunning kitchen and dining area. This space epitomizes Scandinavian design with its emphasis on simplicity and functionality. The kitchen features sleek, handleless cabinetry in a mix of light and dark tones, creating a clean and modern look. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, with a light wood dining table and comfortable modern chairs, inviting long, leisurely meals with family and friends. Large windows surrounding this area allow for ample natural light, enhancing the sense of space and connection to the outdoors. Moving from the dining area, we enter the spacious and cozy living room. High ceilings and expansive windows offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape and flood the space with natural light. The furniture is carefully selected to provide maximum comfort while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. Soft, neutral tones dominate the color palette, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The seating arrangement includes a plush sofa and stylish armchairs, positioned around a chic coffee table. Minimal yet thoughtful decor adds personality and warmth without overwhelming the space, making this the perfect spot to unwind after a long day. The media room is a cozy yet stylish retreat, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. The soft, neutral color palette promotes a calming atmosphere, while the sleek, modern media console and large flat-screen TV create an immersive viewing experience. Comfortable seating, including a sofa and armchair, invites lounging. The combination of natural and artificial lighting ensures the room is well lit and inviting. Minimal decor adds personality without cluttering the space, making it ideal for both entertainment and relaxation. The half bath exemplifies minimalist elegance and functionality. The room features a warm, neutral color palette with shades of gray and natural wood tones. The vanity unit is both stylish and practical, with sleek drawers and a wooden countertop. Modern fixtures, including a wall-mounted toilet, maintain the room's sleek appearance. The wooden slatted ceiling adds a touch of warmth and texture, while minimal decor ensures a clean and serene environment. The first bedroom is a serene retreat with a soft, light beige color palette that provides a warm and inviting backdrop. Neutral tones and minimalist decor create a peaceful atmosphere. The bed, nightstands, and dresser feature clean lines and understated elegance. A large window allows natural light to flood the room, enhancing its airy feel. The walk-in closet is spacious and designed to maximize storage and organization. White and light wood tones ensure a seamless transition between the bedroom and closet, maintaining the overall aesthetic. The full bathroom is a luxurious and serene space that embodies the essence of modern Nordic design. The white color scheme, with marble-like tiles and black fixtures, creates a spa-like atmosphere. The vanity unit is sleek and functional, with a dark finish that contrasts beautifully with the white surroundings. The room features both a spacious walk-in shower and a freestanding bathtub, offering a luxurious bathing experience. Recessed ceiling lights and natural light from the window enhance the bright and airy feel of the room. Minimal decor ensures a cohesive look, creating a harmonious and serene environment. The second bedroom is designed as a versatile and cozy space, ideal for both relaxation and productivity. Neutral tones create a calming atmosphere, while the bed, nightstands, and desk feature clean lines and minimalist design. A small but functional workspace includes a sleek black desk and floating shelves for storage. Natural light streams in through large windows, enhancing the room's airy feel. Minimal decor, including vintage travel posters and a few carefully chosen accessories, adds personality and warmth without creating clutter. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a beautifully designed Scandinavian house. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the seamless blend of modern functionality and natural beauty that defines this stunning home.